For a final number, we'd like to do a beautiful number for you called Heloha no Honolulu. And this is a medley about the composer Lot Howey, who writes about his return trip to Kona. He bids goodbye to Honolulu upon the ship Mauna Loa, sails past Lele, later known as Lahaina, then on to Hawaii Island, past Upolu Point, Mahukuna, Kawaihai, Ho'okena, and finally reaching his destination, Kona. We'd like to thank Kumuhula, Pili Pang, and staff of the Moanalo Gardens Foundation for inviting us today. And we also mahalo you for being a beautiful audience, and our musicians, Liki, Maluhia, and Kaya. I got it right. Mahalo nui. Yes, thank you for being with us. Our song called Heloha no Honolulu, as we bid a fond aloha and mahalo nui to you. Mahalo everyone and aloha.